Hey everyone, this is Charles Rose Jr. with Master Passive Income. I work with Dustin with Real Estate Wealth Builders to help people like you build wealth through cash flowing real estate assets. Today we get to talk about a topic that is so exciting for me. It is a hot topic. It's a topic that I am very passionate about. We're going to talk about how to find a private money lender. This is something that we all want to do. We want to find private money lenders so to help us build our portfolio faster than usual. And private money lenders are so important. It is so important to have private money lenders in your business as you grow as a viable source of building funds because it gives you more options. With a private money lender, you can use their money to buy a property, fix up the property, then you could refinance that property, pay them back, and literally be in the deal with zero down. That's another more advanced topic to talk about. But in this episode, we're going to talk about how you can find a private money lender to give you more options to build wealth through real estate. So we're going to jump right in. So the first thing is to learn about private money lending. It is so important to learn about private money lending before you get into it. You need to know, what do the terms look like? Where can you find private money lenders? What do private money lenders want? These are things that are so important to do before you go and try to find a private money lender. Find out these things because when you find these private money lenders, you want to have the knowledge. You want to be able to answer the questions that they may have. And so that's so important for you to learn about private money lending. There are a lot of places you can learn, but right at Master Passive Income, we have a lot of resources to help you learn about private money lending. We have lots of videos. We also have templates that you could use, slideshow presentations, questions that you can ask a private money lender. We have all those tools and resources in the course. So that's the first thing. Definitely learn about private money lending. And the next thing is to build your private money lender list. It is very important for you to build this list and continue to build this list. Now, you may be thinking, how am I going to, find private money lenders? I don't know anyone, or I don't know enough people, or I don't know people who have money. You may be thinking this, but you will be surprised to see that you are connected to so many people, whether you're connected to them directly or you connected to them through them being nearby in the community, or they could be a friend of a friend. So I'm going to talk about two different ways that you can build your private money lender list. So the first way is through your inner circle. So your inner circle are through friends and family. These are the people that you know and the people that know you. And so you can go to them and present to them like, hey, I'm a real estate investor and I'm building wealth through real estate, and I can help you build wealth too. So you definitely want to make it about them. Don't make it about you, make it about them and how it's such a great opportunity. You'll be surprised to know how much family and friends who may be willing to invest in real estate with you. So that's so important. And then, so your outer circle. So we talk about the inner circle is family and friends. Your outer circle, these are people who you're not directly connected to, but you may be connected to them through a friend, or you may be able to meet these people at networking events. And so, and you can meet people through so many networking events, such as Real Estate Investors Association meetings. If you go on Meetup, you can meet up a lot of people. And there's so many different real estate groups that could be in your local community, or you can even network online. There, during the pandemic, so many people are networking more online. I do it all the time. I personally prefer in-person networking events, but with the pandemic, that's forced me to do a lot of things online. So I'm networking with people all the time online. All you have to do is search Facebook groups with those people. You could search Facebook groups, for private money lenders, or Facebook groups for real estate investors. These are at your fingertips and you can do it. So no excuse for not knowing people. So, and number three is to engage your private money lender. So after you build your private money lenders list, so you want to engage your private money lenders. And what I mean by this is you're going to build a list with people who are potential private money lenders, and also people who may be private money lenders already. And so that's one of the things that is so important, is to engage them. So make sure you get their email address and their phone contacts, and you can do these things through email marketing, and email market stuff to them in a way where you're adding value to their lives. So for example, if you learn something that could help them, you could send them an email. It's like, hey, here's this cool tip that can help you build wealth, or here's this cool tip that can help you with this thing, or whatever it may be. So email marketing can help a lot, even keeping them involved with what you're doing. One of the emails I sent out, which was fantastic, a lot of my lenders love, was, I shared with them every time we close a property or every time we find a property, I shared with them, and they love seeing it and hearing about it. So make them, have them engage. Another thing too is calling them up on the phone, texting them. So calling is very good to have those one-on-one conversations. Call them up and just ask them how they're doing. Be genuine about it. Don't be so salesy about it. Just be genuine. Literally find out how they're doing. Find out how their family's doing. Find out if there's any area that you can help them with. They're going to appreciate that. So meeting up is awesome. So meet up for breakfast, meet up for lunch, dinner, coffee. As a matter of fact, I have a meeting scheduled with a private money lender today. So after I finish sharing these tips, I'm going to meet up with one of my potential private money lenders today. And just to and you know what? I'm not gonna go and ask him, can I borrow some of your money? No, I'm gonna spend time with him. I'm gonna see, how can I help him? How can I be of value to him? What can I do to help you? That's gonna be my focus. The private money lending will come along the way, but I'm gonna meet up with him, and just to see how he's doing, just to have that genuine conversation. Even if he don't lend me money, you know what? I've made a friend. So that's how you have to think about these things. Another cool way to engage them is to send them thinking about you notes, thinking about you messages, or even thinking about you calls. These messages is a simple message. Hey Bob, I'm thinking about you, just saying hello. As simple as that. Or if there's something that you and this private money lender spoke about, or something they're interested in, like, hey, I came across this thing that we spoke about. I thought about you when I saw it. Simple messages like that are so amazing. You'll be so surprised how these little short messages. It takes me literally less than a minute to send out these messages, and it's helped me so much to develop that relationship and engage my private money lenders. So number 4 is to so after you finally do all these things, do all your legwork, you build your list, and you're engaging your private money lenders, is to pitch them deals. And so one of the ways I do this is I'll send them deals through email. That's the first thing I do. And you make these deals sweet and irresistible. You want to make these deals something that they don't want to, they definitely want to invest in this deal with you right away. They want to make money with you. They want to build wealth through the properties that you're putting in front of them. You want to pitch it in a awesome, amazing way. That's something that we can also help you with at Master Passive Income and Real Estate Wealth Builders. We can help you position these deals. And it's so important to get these deals out, because they won't know about the deals unless you talk about it. And so the first thing I usually do is send out the deal via email. I make phone calls, text messages, just making sure that they saw the deal, and just making sure, if it's a deal that they want to purchase, or if there's a deal that they want to invest in with you. This is something that you put in the front of them, pitching the deal. So that's so important, to pitch the deal. And the fifth thing is something that is so simple, but has helped us so much to build our real estate portfolio through private money lenders. And it's so simple. You ready for it? Referrals. I can't tell you how important referrals are. And so I've literally built a private money lenders list. Some of those people don't lend me any money because they're not ready yet. But guess what? They know people who are ready. And so I ask them all the time for referrals. Like, hey, do you know anybody who'd like to build money through real estate? Do you know anybody who want to, build money almost risk free? Like I take all the risk or most of the risk as the landlord, and they take very little risk and get paid every month. Find out if they know someone who's interested. So a lot of times I'll send out my deals. Here's a quick tip is I'll send out the deals, and I'll always a lot of times I don't ask my private money lenders if they want a deal. I'll say, hey, here's this great deal. Do you know anyone who is interested in this deal, or let me know if you know anyone who's interested in this deal. So literally like that, and that's where I take the pressure off of them, and a lot of times they jump and be like, yeah, I'm the one who won it. Or sometimes they forward the deal to somebody else. So referrals is such a great way to find private money lenders. All right, so take these strategies and find those private money lenders. They are out there. Be diligent. If you be diligent, you will find them, and you will be able to build your business massively through private money lenders. All right, everyone. I'll see you next time.